And non-linear, these are non-linear, meaning that there's like an x squared or a y squared or both in there. We're going to take a look here at elimination. It's slide number 15. So if you're following along in your on your PowerPoint, it's slide number 15. So we're going to find these by what's called elimination. So we're going to eliminate one of the variables here. Doesn't matter which one. To be straight up honest with you, it really doesn't matter which one you want to eliminate. So you can either eliminate the x squareds, or you can eliminate the y's. And if you want to eliminate the x squareds, you would multiply the top. I would probably multiply by 5, and then multiply the bottom one by -3. Give me 15x squared and negative 15x squared. So at top I get 15x squared plus 10y equals 5 times 26. That's going to be 130. Negative 3 times 5x squared is a negative 15x squared. Negative 3 times 7 is a negative 21y. Negative 3 times 3 is a negative 9. Well, we're going to run into some problems here. I can already feel it. These will cancel. It's going to give us a negative 11y equals 121 divided by negative 11. I get y equals, that will be all right actually. Y equals negative 11. That's actually pretty good. That's not too bad. So I know that y is negative 11. Now I've got to find x squared. I can choose to plug it either into the top or the bottom equation. Top or bottom, doesn't matter which one. Just choose one. Say we plug it into the top. So that gives us 3x squared plus 2 times negative 11 equals 26. 2 times negative 11 is a negative 22. So that's 3x squared minus 22 equals 26. Add the 22. Gives us 3x squared equals 48. Divide by 3. That gives us x squared equals 16. Take the square root. I get x equals plus or minus 4. Don't forget you got to look at the plus and the minus. Got to look at the plus and the minus because this is going to be x squared. So we have two solutions here. We have 4, negative 11. We have negative 4, negative 11. The negative 11 stays the same because it's just y. But the x can either be positive or negative because when I square it, so if I take and I square 4, take up top, see what happens. I get 3 times 4 squared plus 2 times negative 11. 4 squared is 16. 3 times 16 is 48 plus a negative 22. 48 minus 22 is 26, which is exactly what we wanted it to equal. So it checks there. Well, if I plug in a negative 4, watch what happens. If I plug in a negative 4 squared plus 2 times negative 11, I get negative 4 squared, which is 16. 3 times 16 is 48 plus a negative 22, and I still get out 26. So either way, whether it's positive 4 or negative 4, I'm going to get the solutions that I want. And so there they are. Boom, done. And that is how you do it by elimination. Okay, watch, and I'll get you the one by graph coming up next. Have a good one. Bye.